Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today we'll find the value of x from this given equation, which is x plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1 is equal to 4. So before starting the question, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe first and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of other videos. Okay, now let's start our question. We have to find the value of x from this given equation. So here we have this square root of x minus 1, it is under the bracket, so it's mean it should be greater than or equal to 0. So x minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 0. So from here x will be greater than or equal to 1. Similarly here square root of x plus 1, so it's mean x plus 1 will also be greater than or equal to 0. So from here x will be greater than or equal to minus 1. And here we have x square minus 1, and it will also be equal to greater than or equal to 0. So x square minus 1 is same as x plus 1, x minus 1, and it is greater than or equal to 0. So it's mean x plus 1 will be greater than or equal to 0 and x minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 0. So from here x will be greater than or equal to minus 1, and from here x will be greater than or equal to 1. So if we draw it in on number line, so it will be 0, it will be positive 1, and it will be negative 1. So from here x is greater than or equal to minus 1, so it's mean it will be like that. And x is greater than or equal to 1, so it's mean it will be this. So here we have intersection point is 1. So it's mean its domain is 1. So the value of x must be greater than or equal to 1. Okay. So here we have this given equation, which is x plus square root of x minus 1 and this one. So in first step we will add 1 on both sides. So it will become x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. So here we have x plus 1. So x plus 1 is same as x plus 1 square and its square root plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of, it is same as x square minus 1 is same as x plus 1 x minus 1. So it will be square root of x plus 1 and square root of x minus 1, which is equal to 5. So here we have x plus square root of x plus 1 and square root of x minus 1. So we will let here a is equal to square root of x minus 1, b is equal to square root of x plus 1. So our above equation will become square root of x plus 1 is b and its square, so it will become b square plus it will become a plus it will become b plus a into b, and it is equal to 5. So we will name it equation number 1. Now similarly, in first step we will add here 1 on both sides. Now in the next step we will subtract 1 from both sides. So it will become x minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1 is same as square root of x plus 1 and square root of x minus 1, and it will be equal to 4 minus 1 will be equal to 3. So x minus 1 is same as square and square root, so its square and square root will be cancelled out, so it will again become x minus 1. So as we have already supposed that square root of x minus 1 is equal to a and square root of x plus 1 is equal to b, so it will become a and its square plus A plus B plus AB is equal to 3, and we will name it equation number 2. Now we will add equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1 is B square plus A plus B plus AB is equal to 5, and A square plus A plus B plus AB is equal to 3. Now we'll add both equations, so it will become B square plus A square, or we can write it as A square plus B square, and it will become 2A, it will become 2B, and it will become 2AB. It will be equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. So here we have A square plus B square. So as we know that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So from here, this A square plus B square will be equal to A plus B whole square, and we will take this to the left hand side, so it will become minus 2AB. So from here, A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So we will substitute here. A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB plus 2A plus 2B plus 2AB is equal to 8. So from here, negative 2AB and plus 2AB will be cancelled out, and it will become A plus B whole square plus 2A plus 2B is equal to 8. Now A plus B whole square, and from these two terms we have 2 is common here, so it will become A plus B, and we will take this 8 to the left hand side, so it will become minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can see that it is the form of a quadratic equation in terms of A plus B. So we will solve it by factorization. So product should be equal to minus 8 and sum should be equal to 2. So here we will take factors 4 and minus 2. So product will be 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and sum is 4 minus 2 is plus 2. So it will become A plus B whole square plus 4 into A plus B minus 2 into A plus B minus 8 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms we have A plus B is common. So A plus B square divided by A plus B will be A plus B, and 4 into A plus B divided by A plus B will become 4. And here we have negative 2 is common. So it will become, this divided by this will be A plus B, minus into minus will become plus, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and it will be equal to 0. So here we have A plus B plus 4 is common in both terms. So this divided by this will be equal to A plus B, and this divided by this will be equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we have two solutions, that A plus B plus 4 is equal to 0 and A plus B minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here the value of A plus B is equal to minus 4, and from here the value of A plus B is equal to 2. So as we know that A is equal to square root of x minus 1 and B is square root of x plus 1. So it's mean A square is equal to x minus 1. So if x is greater than or equal to 1, so from here A square should be greater than or equal to, x is 1 minus 1, so A square should be greater than or equal to 0. So from here A will be greater than or equal to 0 when we will apply square root. Similarly, B is equal to square root of x plus 1. So B square will be greater than or equal to x plus 1, and x 1 plus 1, so b square is greater than or equal to 2. When we will apply square root, so it will become b should be greater than or equal to square root of 2, which is 1.414. So it's mean a plus b is equal to 0 plus square root of 2, which will be equal to square root of 2. And it will also be greater than or equal to. So it's mean a plus b should be a positive value. So here we have a plus b is equal to minus 4, which is a negative value. So we will reject this solution. So we will solve for a plus b is equal to 2. And here we have a new equation. We will name it equation number 3. Now, in first we have adding equation 1 and 2. Now we will subtract equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So here equation number 2 is a square plus a plus b a square plus a plus b plus ab is a minus equation number 1 is b square plus a plus b plus ab, and it will be equal to this 3 minus 5. So it will become a square plus a plus b plus ab minus b square minus a minus b minus ab, and it will be equal to minus 2. Now this positive a and negative a will be cancelled out, positive b and negative b, and similarly positive a and negative ab will be cancelled out. So we have here a square minus b square is equal to minus 2, and a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b is equal to minus 2. As we have here equation number 3, which is a plus b is equal to 2, so it will become 2 into a minus b is equal to minus 2. Now we'll divide both sides with 2, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and a minus b will be equal to 2 one time, so it will be minus 1, and it is our equation number 4. Now we will add equation number 3 and equation number 4 and find the values of a, b. So equation number 3 is a plus b is equal to 2, and equation number 4 is a minus b is equal to minus 1. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously. Now we will add both equations, so b and b will be cancelled out from here. So it will become 2a is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Now dividing 2 on both sides to find the value of a will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Now we'll substitute the value of a in equation number 3 or 4 and get the value of b, as here we have a plus b is equal to 2. So a is 1 divided by 2 plus b is equal to 2. So from here b is equal to 2, and this positive 1 divided by 2 will become negative when we will change its position from equal side. So here we have 1. So it will be 2, 4 minus 1. From here the value of b will be 3 divided by 2. But a is equal to square root of x minus 1 and b is equal to square root of x plus 1. So a is square root of x minus 1 and it is equal to 1 divided by 2. And b is square root of x plus 1 and it is equal to 3 divided by 2. Now by applying square on both sides, we will find the value of x. So it will become x minus 1 is equal to 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So from here x is equal to 1 divided by 4 plus 1. Now the LCM of denominator is 4. So 4 1 times 4 and 1 4 times 4. So it will become 1 plus 4. So from here value of x is equal to 5 divided by 4. And Again, we will apply square on both sides. So it will become x plus 1 is equal to 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So x will be equal to 9 divided by 4 minus 1. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4 for 1 time and 1 4 times. So it will become 9 minus 4. So the value of x is 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 4. So when we substitute the value of a, which is square root of x minus 1, and the value of b, so the value of x remain same. So here we have the value of x is equal to 5 divided by 4. Now we have to check that the value of x satisfy our given equation or not. So we will substitute here. X is 5 divided by 4 plus square root of x means 5 divided by 4 minus 1 plus here square root of 5 divided by 4 plus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 4 square minus 1, and we have to check that it will be equal to 4 or not. So it will be 5 divided by 4 plus it will become 1 divided by 4 and it will become 9 divided by 4 and it will be 25 divided by 16. So 25 minus 16 will be equal to 9 divided by 16. And we have to check that will it be equal to 4 or not. So 5 divided by 4 plus square root of 1 divided by 4 is 1 divided by 2 and it will be 3 divided by 2 and it will become 3 divided by 4 because square root of 9 is 3 and 16 is 4. Now LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So it will become 4 1 time, 2 2 time, 2 2 time 4 and 4 1 time 4. So 5 plus 1 2 time 2, 3 2 times 6 and 3 1 time 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 divided by 4. So it will become 4 is equal to 4. It means the value of x is equal to 5 divided by 4 satisfy our given equation. So hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.